my bricks like a chimney. Black got a stiffy, I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
First off, before we get into the video, I just want to thank the JanetCollection for sending me about 7 to 8 packs of hair, all in the color 1B, and these are pre-stretched synthetic braiding hair. And they also sent me a comb, which I'm gonna show in the picture because for some reason I can't find it right here, but they sent me a rat tooth comb, so I want to thank them for sending me. And this is the hair I'm gonna be using in this video. So if you want to go get your hair to get this style done that I'm about to do, definitely check out their website. The links will be in the description box down below. What's up guys, it's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video. And I'm not gonna do too much rambling. Basically, I'm gonna try to do my knotless braids for the first time on my own. I'm really nervous because this takes a lot of patience and a lot of diligence, because you gotta make sure it looks knotless and you gotta make sure it looks clean. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Knotless braids looks better when your hair is stretched out and when it's blow dried, not even straightened, but at least blow dried. And oh, this hairstyle looks so cute, but for some reason I can't find the goddamn blow dryer, so I'm just gonna have to hope that whatever I'm using to slick down my hair does its job. But I know I look crazy right now. I look bald. I'm not bald, okay? I'm not bald, so don't ever call me bald again. This here is really convenient, let me tell y'all, because they show y'all how to braid. What hair company shows y'all how to braid? I'll wait, because I never seen no hair packaging do this. So if you're learning to braid, this is definitely a good hair to get, because they show you what to do, and that's on period. So now I'm being ghetto and I got my little pole to hold my hair, and now we're gonna just try to do this. Trying so hard not to overreact and just keep trying, but right now this is about pissing me off. And it's not even the hair, it's just I'm not good at braiding the back of my hair just like that, like especially when it's feeding. And you could tell that I need to grip more at my roots because that's where it's loose. I'm just gonna leave it for now, and I'm gonna move on to the next tools, and hopefully like as I go along I'm gonna be able to grip, and then I'm gonna come back to redo this one. couple hours later, literally, because I was getting ready to have a mental breakdown. If you've watched almost like all of these kind of videos I have on my channel where I'm attempting to do something for the first time, I always end up to a point where I want to have a mental breakdown because it's just like, it's hard, like trying something new. So yeah, but I started on my front before I stopped because someone told me it would be easier, and if it is, my only issue, it's not going to be as clean as I want it to, so I might redo it when I finish everything. But I'm going to just show y'all me doing the hair after I finish one more row. I'm going to show y'all me doing it again because I don't want this video to be too long, and I also want me to get it down more before I start recording. So, yeah. Everything. This is how it's looking. I'm trying to clean up my ends, and I'm about to dip into hot water, so I'm gonna do that and I come back to y'all after. So I'm back, and this is how it looks. It's not stiff, that's the good thing, and it doesn't look bad. My only issue is that my roots are curling up, and I don't mind if the back curls up, but the front, it can't do that because like that's what everybody sees first. So I think I'm gonna go out and buy myself like Shine Jam because that's what I originally wanted to use, but they didn't have it where I was trying to get it. So I'm gonna go out and get that, but this is how it looks. If it, other than the roots, it doesn't look bad. And yeah, guys, that's that for this video. And this hair is from the JanetCollection. This hair is mad shiny. Like, you see how shiny my braids is? Like, that hair came with the shine itself. So I definitely recommend getting your braiding hair from there, because a lot of states are planning to go back into lockdown due to the rise of COVID again. So make sure you check out the JanetCollection again. It will be down in my description box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below how I did, what I could have done to do better. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Man, I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out at the show.